Imagine tomorrow you're going to have an important job interview and you ask yourself, what should I wear? Because what you wear can non-verbally communicate your character, sociability, but also competence and intelligence. So when social roles of women changed in the course of our history, it's hardly surprising that dresses changed as well. And women adopted masculine outfits when they joined men at work. Now I can tell you something similar happened in fish. Not in all fish, but in a group of fish I work with. You find them in Lake Tanganyika in Africa. And nowadays, males and females look the same. They grow to the same size and develop the same showy body coloration. And importantly, each grown-up defends an individual feeding territory, which offers food and shelter. And in this competition for territories, males, as well as females, use their body coloration to signal aggressive motivation and dominance. Interestingly, research suggests that their ancestors, which lived in rivers, looked and behaved differently, more like those fish on the left-hand side of my slide. Males were larger and much more colorful than the females, and only the males were defending territories. So what happened? When these ancestors moved from the rivers into Lake Tanganyika, they also changed their diet. They specialized on algae growing on rocks. So holding a territory also meant to be self-sustaining with regrowing food on your own land. And because of that, it made sense for the females to change their social roles and enter this competition for territories. And in my thesis, I hypothesized that females of this fish group developed these male-like, showy color patterns in order to be competitive in such territorial contests. And to test whether color pattern actually plays a role in competition in this fish, I used this fish population on the right-hand side of my slide to set up a contest for territories, with competing fish differing in the width of this yellow bar. And indeed, in contests between females, I found that females with wider yellow bars typically won the contest. So obviously color pattern plays a role in female competition in this fish. And I conclude that the female's masculine appearance may indeed have evolved because it supported them in their new social role as territory defenders. So to wear the right outfit seems to be important, not only for a job interview. Thank you.